How to see Instagram saved videos. They are easier to find than you think. Let's unlock your saved collection with these steps. Hello everyone, I'm Jaslyn from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see Instagram saved video. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your device. Simply go to your profile at the bottom right and tap the menu located at the top right corner. Find and click on the saved option. Under the saved section, you will see all your saved posts including the videos you have bookmarked. And there you have it. Now you can access your saved videos on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.